Time to run the battery tender cable. I've already wrapped it and it's ready to go. And here's the tools we'll need. 9mm wrench, a screwdriver, and that's just to be able to tighten these screws and nuts up once I get the holes drilled. A few zip ties, a step bit, and then a drill. That's all we're gonna need. And a 13mm wrench up on the battery. So this crosshair is where I'm gonna drill my hole. And if you see this line here, this pencil line, on the inside, there's this metal stay. I wanted to make sure to miss that. So that's what that is I measured to make sure that that metal stay, that I'm definitely over far enough to where I'm not going to hit it with my my step bit, or definitely not as well with the cable, because it does extend inwards a little bit. It's about 7/8 of an inch across the back here. So that's where I'm going to drill the hole, about 7/8 of an inch. Well, I hope it fits. 7/8 of an inch wasn't big enough. I could get this through, but I couldn't quite get that through. But we'll be okay. We'll make it a little bit bigger. Woo-hoo-hoo. There we go. Just got it. I think I had to make it about an inch. So just another 1/8 inch bigger to get that piece through. All right. I should be able to remove my tape now. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Well, you could probably hear the rain outside. It's a rainy, rainy day here in the Northwest. This is just the wrap up on the tender cable. Now, right now, this is the cover. I can tell you right now, this cover is going to go. You probably already noticed this thing is going to fall off. I don't care. I'll just take and snip, and then just use the cover. I'm not super worried about it. The reason why I put it here is because it's in a really safe place. The brake, your foot's never going to be able to get to it. So I'm not super worried if it's covered or not. But anyway, there's the input. And then, of course, we missed this bracket here, or this stay. I came up around this metal, whatever this bracket is, over the top, zip tied. And then I tied in and just followed the harness back here. Zip tie here, so it's all nice and secure. And then I was able to slip it through here. Come up through here, just a little bit of slack, not too bad. Now, the positive came in here. Now, I went ahead and snipped some openings here just so this boot would fit nicely again right on there. So this is where it's picking up the positive. So there's a 10 amp fuse in here, and there's only ever 2 amps coming in for my battery tender. So no issue there. Now notice with the ground, I tied in here and not here. The reason why I did that is that way, of course, when I have this off, so there's no parasitic loss, I'm still getting my 2 amps charged directly to the battery. The idea being anything else on the system, I would tie in here, which of course means then it would get turned off along with the switch. So I think it's all going to work great.